Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from OKX Wallet to the Bitget Wallet. Alright, so in order to send your USDT from OKX to Bitget, it's quite easy. Open up your OKX Wallet. Once you've opened up the OKX Wallet, scroll till you find the USDT token you wish to send under your crypto assets. Click on USDT. And at the top of the screen, we have what we call the network toggle, where you could simply scroll. It's a horizontal scroll. So you could simply scroll till you find the network you're looking for, like the Manta Pacific, Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, Arbitrum One, Optimism. Now, in this tutorial video, we're going to be sending the USDT on the Polygon network. All right. So once you've selected the Polygon network as the network you wish to use, make sure you have some of the Polygon network tokens to cover your gas fee or any transaction fees that you might incur. All right, with that said, click on the send option, and then you're going to be asked to provide a receiving address. You can get this receiving address when you minimize, open up your Bitget wallet. Once your Bitget wallet has been opened up, head to the icon at the bottom right that says wallet. So once on the wallet section, use the search icon for searching. Use this icon to search for USDT. So simply search for USDT and then select the Polygon USDT. So click on the Polygon USDT, click on receive, and then proceed to copy your Bitget wallet address. Then minimize, open up the OKX Web3 wallet, paste this address there, click on confirm, and then proceed to enter an amount of USDT you wish to send from your OKX Web3 wallet to the Bitget Web3 wallet. And that's it, guys. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.